So, you're online, browsing, clicking, downloading. And why should you care about the difference between a virus, a worm, or a Trojan? Knowing these differences is crucial for anyone who wants to keep their digital life secure. Today, we're breaking down the most common, clever, and destructive types of malware. We'll cover everything from classic viruses to modern threats like cryptojacking and fileless malware. By the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of the landscape. So, buckle up. Let's get into it. Malware, short for malicious software, is any software designed to disrupt, steal, or gain unauthorized access to your computer. A computer virus is malware that replicates by inserting its code into other programs, spreading when those programs run. A computer worm is standalone malware that spreads itself across networks, infecting other computers automatically. A Trojan horse disguises itself as legitimate software to sneak onto your device and gain access without you noticing. A remote access Trojan or RAT gives attackers secret control over your computer, letting them access your files and data remotely. A backdoor is a hidden way to bypass normal authentication, giving attackers secret access to your system. A rootkit is malicious software that hides deep in your system, allowing ongoing, undetected access. Spyware secretly collects your data and internet activity without your consent. A keylogger records every keystroke you make, capturing sensitive information like passwords. Ransomware locks or threatens to publish your data unless you pay a ransom. Fileless malware uses legitimate programs, like PowerShell, to infect your computer, leaving almost no trace. It's tough to detect because it doesn't rely on traditional files. Adware bombards you with unwanted ads, often covering your screen and promoting questionable products. It generates revenue for its creator at your expense. RAM scrapers steal sensitive data, like credit card info, directly from a computer's memory, often targeting businesses. They grab information before it can be encrypted or stored safely. A distributed denial of service or DDoS attack floods a server with traffic, making online services unavailable to real users. Browser hijackers change your browser settings without permission, usually to inject unwanted ads. Cryptojacking hijacks your computer's processing power to secretly mine cryptocurrency for someone else. Rogue security software tricks you into thinking your computer is infected, then demands payment to fix it. Phishing is a social engineering attack that tricks you into giving up sensitive info by pretending to be a trusted source. Hybrid malware combines features of different malware types like a Trojan and a worm to make attacks more effective. A brute force attack tries every possible password combination until it finds the right one. Social engineering manipulates people into revealing confidential information or performing risky actions. That was a lot, but the key isn't paranoia, it's awareness. Knowing the difference between ransomware, spyware, worms, and Trojans is the first step to better digital defense. You don't need to be an expert, but recognizing the signs helps you react quickly. Simple habits like strong passwords, two-factor authentication, skepticism of suspicious emails, and keeping software updated make a huge difference. These are the basics of good digital hygiene. Hopefully this gave you a clear, high-level overview.